Hello, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the party emoji. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Now let's get right on into drawing. First things first, I'm going to be drawing the mouth. So to do this, I'm going to draw sort of like a W or M shape, but on its side. So right here, I'm going to draw that shape. Now coming out of here, I'm going to draw a straight horizontal line and another one coming out of that. And then from the bottom one, I'm going to take it up and draw a big spiral, just like that. Now taking the inner one, I'm going to do that same spiral. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line to show that it starts right here. To decorate this area, I'm going to be drawing some polka dots all over. So just little lines. This is for decoration. You can do whatever design you want. Now from here, I'm going to be drawing the full head. So right below our mouth is going to be the start of our circle. So from here, I'm going to go out and around. Now you can trace something if you're having trouble, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And there we go. Now I didn't completely draw the circle because overlapping. In front, this is in front of the face. Now next, I'm going to be drawing the eyes. Now the eyes are closed on this emoji. So to do this, I'm going to draw a curved line and then curve the end and connect it around. I'm going to do the same over here. Connect it. I'm also going to do that same thing on the mouth, curved line, and then just draw the same line as before. Now to finish off the actual face, I'm going to be drawing some eyebrows. Now these are thinner, so I'm just going to draw a line like that, and then a small line connecting. A line like that, a small line connecting. So just a little curved lines. On top of the head is a party hat. Right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up, then a diagonal line back in. Finally, a few stripes. So just some curved lines to look like stripes. Finally, to finish off this emoji, I'm going to be drawing some different squares all over for confetti. You can place these wherever you want. They can be facing different ways like that. You can make them different sizes. You can even make them different shapes if you want. And that is how you draw the party face emoji. You can leave your drawing just like this, but next I'm going to be coloring mine in. Well, you can color this in any way you want. Like the original emoji, I'm going to be using 5 colors: pink, yellow, brown, light blue, and dark blue. Now I will be skipping over my coloring, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Great. Now you can leave your drawing just like this and send me a picture to jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com and leave me suggestions for future videos. Or you can continue on and do some shading. To start off the shading, I'm going to be going in with a darker blue than our dark blue and just go right here because this is inside the mouth. So there will be a shadow. And that is all I'm going to be doing with our dark blue. Now, using a very light pink, I'm just going to be coloring a little bit right by the eyes. And this is a little bit of blush to make it look like the emoji is happy and not tired, just falling asleep. That their eyes are closed out of joy. And once again, that is all I'm going to be doing with that light pink. Now finally, I am going to be going in with a dark yellow, and I'm just going to be going along the edge of the emoji here, around the mouth. Just going around anything that sticks out. And then just going along the entire edge of the emoji to make it look like it's round. Finally, going over the pieces of confetti that I drew on top of the face. And that is it for shading. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me suggestions on what I should draw next, and I will see you next time. Bye!